The FruitGuys is a B-corp business. We deliver fresh fruits and snacks to offices and schools all across this country. We love to partner with local and small farms. So we have 11 locations across the country, and our goal is to buy local whenever we can, so whenever we're in season. Here in California, we are super lucky because there are times of the year where almost 100% of our box is California grown. As a B-corp, we have a commitment to give back. And so we commit 20% of our profits to relieving hunger and to supporting small farms. And so on the small farm side, we're not just buying from small farms, we are also doing micro grants every year. So we give grants to farms all across the country. They're all related to sustainability projects. This could be anything from water catchment systems to solar installation to reduce their energy usage, to also sustaining their growing season. So installing hoop houses so that they can grow longer, making the farm more economically sustainable as well. So we look at sustainability not just on the environmental impact, but also on the impact of the farm. It's important for the public to support local farms because it is the foundation of our food system. We need big growers because we have a lot of people to feed, but we also need small growers to get products that you might not get elsewhere, to have maybe more diversity, especially around the products that are offering to support the local economy, those workers in that area that need support, and less carbon footprint by having that product travel not as far.